Hello guys. Today I am going to talk to you about how to tame the mane for curly haired people like me who have really frizzy and crazy hair. So I just got out of the shower. I want to take you through some steps of how I got to this point here. So one thing I use professional shampoo is very important because other shampoos can dry out your hair because they have alcohol and other products in there that dry out your hair. So you do not want dry hair because dry hair equals more frizz. So that's very important. So first off, make sure you get you some professional shampoo like Redken is what I use, the super soft kind, and things of that sort. You know, you can Google other products, okay? One other thing I like to use, like I bought this from Walmart and they are like, I don't know, $1.50 or something, and I get a bunch of different ones. This one's keratin protein, and I get the argan oil one too. So the one I used today was the argan oil, but I just wanted to show you what they kind of look like. But I get all the different ones, and I kind of leave that in my hair because it kind of tames it down a little bit. So when I'm in the shower and I have my conditioner in, I use this comb, and that's when I brush my hair. I don't brush my hair any other time unless I'm going to straighten it. But if I'm going to wear it curly or tame the mane, then I brush it with this comb in the shower while I'm getting the conditioner out of it, okay? And then after that, another thing real quick before I forget to tell you, you do not want to wash your hair more than twice a week. Okay, because you want the natural oils, and I know you're thinking, well, what if I have oily hair up here? You know, get yourself some dry shampoo or something like that, but you don't want to wash it too much. So this is a microfiber rag, and this is what I use to dry my hair. You do not want to use a towel because it will cause it to frizz more and be more poofy. So when I get out of the shower, I take my hair and I wring it out like this, and I let it do all of its dripping that it's going to do. And then I take this towel and I simply scrunch it. And it's obviously not going to scrunch all the way dry, but I just scrunch it with this. Okay, so that's my other tip. After that, I put It's 10 leave-in product. Just a little bit. I kind of just put it through the ends. I kind of leave the top part alone, and I kind of just put it through the ends. And then the last thing that I do is I use coconut oil. Okay, this one's organic. It is unrefined virgin coconut oil. So you do not want to put a whole bunch of this, okay? And I haven't done this process yet because I wanted to show you like how much I was putting. So I keep it in like a little Tupperware container so that I could put the lid on it, and then I leave it in my bathroom because I use coconut oil for all kinds of things in the kitchen and all kinds of stuff, so I didn't want to cross-contaminate. But I'm just going to put a little bit, okay? And just going to kind of rub it on my hands, which is good for your hands too, and I'm literally just going to like put it through the ends. Okay, I'm not going to put it at the top at all. I'm just gonna put it through the ends. And then I am gonna let it just dry naturally, okay? I'm not gonna mess with it. Well, I'm messing with it now, but you know, you can put it in braids at this point, and then it'll be wavy whenever you take it out. But my hair takes forever to dry. So, I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. But I'm just going to let it dry naturally, okay? And then I will show you. Okay. So my hair is dry now, and it's still a little bit poofy, but I have a whole lot of hair. But I could wear it like this, or if I didn't want it to be so poofy, I could take this main part right here. And sometimes I take a big chunk, and you can twist it and pin it back with some bobby pins, or you could braid it, which I do this a lot. But I like to usually French braid the top part. But this just kind of gives some of the poofiness out of there. And then I can pin it back there. So if you have poofy hair, and then I would probably add a little tiny bit more coconut oil to this. Now what you don't want to do is straighten it after you have all this coconut oil in there, because there will be a lot of smoke and stuff, so that's kind of scary. But I would add some more coconut oil to this, and then I would have my look for the day. Or if you like the poofy look, you can rock that too. But it definitely tames it a lot more than the way it would have looked had I not put the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, the It's 10, or the coconut oil. So hopefully I helped you out a little bit. Again, this is for curly, frizzy hair. So let me know if it worked for you, or if you have any questions. Happy to help.